It's good to have you back, Rainy, even if it's just for summer vacation.
What vacation? I mean, if I have to do homework, how's it vacation? Vacation's for vacationing, not for homeworking. This summer, it's just school part 2. And forget TV. I can only squeeze in 3 hours a day.
Well, at least you get to hang out with all your friends, you know. I mean, that's something to be excited about. Anytime now.
That is a good point. And there's no use complaining about this. I just have to do it. This will be the best show and tell ever. Like I always say, go big or just go home.
I don't think I've ever heard you say that before, but whatever you need, I'll help out. That's what friends are for.
And yet you're standing there not helping. Anyway, we gotta finish this up fast. Hey, Tula! Okay, Blue, here's the plan. Mula is gonna lead the kitty cat right here. Cat got your tongue? What are you waiting for?
Let's see. For you to tell me what you want.
You mean you can't read my mind? Tell Mula we're ready.
Yep. All right, Rainy. Message relayed.
Thank you, Blue. We're all ready. We'd better hide now.
You know, I was already hiding until you called me.
Sorry about that. Let's just catch the cat, and then take a picture of it and release it. Now let's hide.
We must be quiet, like a mouse. Not one sound.
Shh.
Not one
Gotta run! Gotta run! Gotta see! Hey! On a giant beak!
Where is he? You better not be goofing around.
Don't worry! I've got it right where I want it. They can't get away from me if I'm in its mouth, right?
Wow! Blue, plan B.
Plan B. What's Plan B?
Oh, maybe he isn't quite where I want him. Good.
Boy, this plan sure isn't going as planned. But we wouldn't be very good friends if we just gave up. All right.
I got him! We got him!
Tula, plan C.
Oh, Rainy! This all seems like kind of the same plan!
Help!
Hey there, cute little kitty lizard thing. Who's a good kitty?
Well, I'd say that was better than expected.
What? How was that better?
Because what I expected was to get eaten.
Yeah, but...
I'm glad we agree.
Well, why didn't you just get a small one like I asked you to?
That was a small one.
Well, I guess it could have been worse. Of course. It's not from lack of trying.
Okay. Aw, that is so sweet.
What does that mean? Hmm?
Tula, doesn't it sound like Rainey was worried about us?
Of course I worry about you. That's why I'm upset. Just be careful, right?
That's great, Tula. Perfect. Couldn't be better. But a little less cold might be nice.
You okay, Mama?
If you look closely, you'll see that I'm far better than merely okay. I'm ready to go, as I always am. Huh?
I brought you some snacks. Come eat.
Mom, I was this close to finishing my homework, and now it's all ruined.
You have to think with your head, not just your heart.
It's easier when things are easy.
The only thing better than candy is more candy.
Oh, Rainey, don't you have something that you wanted to give them?
Oh, yeah. I almost forgot. It's a badge, like the ones we have at school for our teams. Go ahead, take one.
Well, if you insist, because otherwise, I'd
Hey,
insist.
there's enough for everybody. I consider all of us to be a really great team. I believe that together we can do anything. Except catch a lizard cat.
Huh. If we're a team, do we have a name, Rainey?
Oh, no. I didn't think of that.
I've got this. A name that makes you think of teamwork. Like us teaming up. And of course, being a team player. We'll call it Team Team.
Okay, that's an idea. Any others?
Do you guys need a name? What really matters is how you feel about each other in your hearts. That's what friendship means, after all. But if it could also mean not hunting lizard cats, that'd be great.
Hey, what's that?
Huh? What is that huge thing?
Some kind of huge thing.
Gee, thanks.
No, wait. It's some kind of huge pink thing.
Thanks for nothing. Wow. Are you sure it's not a marshmallow?
Yes, it's a cloud.
But I've never seen pink clouds here. How can you be sure it's not a marshmallow?
'Cause it's a cloud.
Hey, let me see. I want to see. I'm not seeing. Whoa, what a tasty-looking marshmallow.
Don't be silly, Moolah. It's a cloud. Wow, it's so beautiful. I wish there was a way to get up there and see it closer. Huh? What's that?
It's a square thing.
Blue. Seriously? Wow, a toy candy.
Hold on. Let me make sure it's safe. You know I'm all about safety.
Stop, Moolah, it's mine.
Since you went home, how have things been between you and Rainey?
They're good. Much better. We can actually talk to each other now. Of course, she doesn't actually listen.
Nice one. Or not.
Oh, it looks like you can dance. Not as well as me, of course.
Come here.
I got it, you guys. Whatever it is. Wait, it looks like it might be some kind of camera.
So much energy. I can barely keep up.
Mm-hmm. Cat might get you then.
What?
Mom, look. Strike a pose.
Oh.
Say cheese.
Get it! Ha! Gotcha! Oh!
but Mula's really heavy. I don't know if I can hold on.
Well, I know. Yes, you can.
I'm trying my
That's why you're holding.
What happened? Where are we?
Mom, are you okay? Say something.
I think I'm okay, but I had this weird dream that I was turned into a candy.
Wait, where's Mula? Huh.
Do you have any idea how dangerous it is hanging around with you?
No.
What have you done to my mom? Change your back! No, you can't be broken! You just can't be!
Rainy, wait just a minute. Change me back? Why? What is it? No! This can't be real!
No! Mom! Mom! Mom!
Don't worry, Rainy. We're here. All of us will work together. We'll find a way to fix this.
You think so?
We should start by finding out where we are.
Whoa, look at that.
Just like your mom, Rainy.
Wake up, Mula. It's not real. It can't be real. Oh, boy, that'll give you a toothache. Rainy, wait. Where are you? Oh, come back here.
Excuse me, where are we?
Candy.
Look, my mom has been turned into a candy. Is there any way to change her back?
Dandy.
What's that mean?
Candy. Dandy. Candy is dandy.
Blue, what's the deal with all these guys?
Candy is dandy. Candy is dandy. Candy is dandy. Whoa! Heads up! Now I've got you all. Now you'll have to talk to me. Hey, talk, not ignore. Hello? Buenos dias. Bonjour. Ciao. Hey, what? What? You candies are far from dandy. That's it. I'll use my powers to do nothing. I take it back. You're dandy. The dandiest. You know, you could have just lifted it up. Hey! You donuts do not know who you're messing with. Oh, shit. Sprinkle.
Wow, a pool and everything. Everything except water.
At least you don't have to have a lifeguard, I guess. You know, there's something not quite right about these candy guys.
Yeah, it's like they're not all there mentally.
They seem more like machines than actual living creatures. Why is Rainy's mom different?
Tula's right. They do the same things over and over. Look, they're almost like dolls. Weird donut dolls. Ugh.
Yeah! Go and fit me!
They're different.
Get him!
Oh.
That's it. I'll never let anyone walk over me ever again. I use my Rainy, you see that? Guess these cameras made enemies of those donut guys, too. You got a case of the camera karma. That's what you get for your crueler cruelty.
Dear, let go of it, or there will be big trouble.
Looks like there's already trouble.
Lola!
Oh, God. Hold on. This one seems to be different from those other ones.
I thought it was a good idea to tap dance on my tummy.
All right. Who are you?
What? You're really asking that? I'm the one who had the belly boogie, the stomach shuffle, and the tummy tango dance on me.
Sorry, it was an accident. We were all amped up after escaping those cameras.
It serves you right.
Oh, it's a peanut candy. I like your costume.
Really? You think it's pretty good?
Mm-hmm. It's well made and really cute.
Oh, go on. You're the cute one.
Ignore them. Can you tell us what this weird place is?
Of course I can. It's called Sweetsdale. It's a place where all the candy creatures get to live happily. Those cameras you were talking about are the guardians here. They make candies out of every single bad person that they find. Like him. Now that's funny. And that's even funnier.
So, who are you? And why are you here?
Oh, let's see. I'm Gordon, and I work here.
Look, Gordon, we need your help. We have to change my mom and Moolah back.
You'll have to find their photos. Once you do that, you can change them back.
Photos?
But finding those photos is going to be far from easy.
That doesn't matter. As long as we work together, then we can do anything.
That's right. We're a team.
Friends always help each other out.
Yeah, we're the greatest team that's ever been. Together, we can do anything.
Oh, right. You guys are the best, no doubt about it. So, are you with me?
Of course.
Me too.
I'm in.
Go, go, go!
Friends. What a joke. Come on. Oh, no, good. No. What happened? It's all broken to bits. Oh, no. Even the bits are in bits. Ooh.
What is it, Gordon?
Oh! It's just that I'm gonna have to clean all this mess up. Yep, 'cause that's my job around here. Clean it up.
Okay, but about my mom.
Don't you worry, Captain. She'll be safe in my room. You can count on me. You know it. And I know this. You'd better get going. The photo library. That's where all the photographs are kept. But you can't just go straight there. No. First, you'll have to make it past some tests.
What is this thing?
It's how you get where you need to go. I call it the bubble shuttle. Now, it's not for the faint of heart. I wish you good luck. But a word of warning. You don't have very much time.
So, Gordon, want to join our team and come along? You know you want to. Does that mean sure thing?
Well, the thing is, I have to clean up that big mess.
Rainy!
All right. Come on, you guys. Let's do this. This is how you do this.
Looking good so far.
Oh, you fools are about to learn a valuable lesson. I'm going to open your eyes up to the truth of what friendship really means. It's harsh, but it's for your own good.
Woo-hoo! I feel free as a bird up here. Well, a bird trapped in a bubble, but still. Huh? What's the matter? Afraid of heights?
Don't be ridiculous. I've never felt better in my entire life.
Don't get sick. I'm gonna be sick.
Stop saying that word. I'm sick of it. Now look what you've made me do. You got me saying it.
Well, since you're okay, I'll see ya.
Look at them all. Get it together, Rainy. This'll be a piece of cake. I got this. Orange got me! What a rocky road!
it's still pretty bad.
Now, let the show begin. Let's see what you got, Rainy and her so-called friends. Of course, what you're gonna get is a harsh dose of reality thanks to me. Huh? What are you doing? Don't just stand there, you scaredy cat! It's my spaceship right now!
Wow, that is so cool. Hey, Rainy, is this the test that Gordon mentioned?
Yeah, I guess so. And I've actually played this game before. Here's the deal, guys. At the top of that track, there's a place where more of those balls come out. When they do, if there's no space for them on the track, they knock one of the balls at the bottom into that giant mouth. If that happens too many times, you lose the game. So, it's up to us to make space.
Sounds good, except how are we supposed to do that?
Just watch. Easy as pie. Little bit, you're gonna be a big help.
Candy dismissed.
We just have to match the colors. And when that star shape is full, we win the game. What are you waiting for? An engraved invitation?
Right! The game is on!
Right now.
Take me to the adventure!
Right here, right now.
Friendship conquers all!
Nice one, Sheila. Check out this move. I call it the twin spin. I got a bonus point.
Check out what I got. This'll help.
Wandering at night, friends drive away all our fright. When the sun shines upon,
We've almost
set
won.
sail with you. When all the dark clouds are clear, the map will be so clearly in sight. Open up your mind, reach there, embrace tomorrow, trust and care. Right here, right now. Take me to the adventure. Right here, right now. Friendship conquers all.
Teamwork, guys!
Blue, over here.
The last one! Yeah.
Wait, we're still short one ball.
Rainy, help out quickly! If we don't get this last ball soon, the mouth will eat this one and we'll lose the game!
This section is messed up. Wait, thanks to me.
Winner.
What am I doing in here? Well, whatever it is, I'm actually doing it out of here. Oh, how I wish our powers worked.
Candy's supposed to be sweet, you know. Stop being a sourpuss.
Do you guys feel something?
Have a contest to see how slow you can be. Hurry up. I'm freaking out. Or couldn't you tell?
A trap! Watch out! That was close.
Not again.
They passed the test! Yeah, they passed. Did what I asked. Didn't come in last. What a blast! Oh. And they were fast, an all-star cast built to last. Not our class, the skills are vast. Was they fast? How did they pass so easily? What kind of blame test was that? They aren't supposed to win, you know.
I'm toast.
Oh, it Okay, don't worry. I know what to do. I just have to get involved personally, and then I'll give them the worst toothache ever. Yes, exactly. They'll learn their lesson. And to sweeten the deal, why don't you go get me the big guy? On the plus side, I think I set a new distance record with that camera I kicked just now. What are you doing? Never mind. Whatever it is, just get off me. No, stop it! I'm not food. This is just a costume, you cranky cruller. Have you ever seen a walking, talking candy? Okay, bad example. I want those 2 donuts captured. You hear? Even if you didn't hear, I want them caught now. All you cameras are completely useless. Not you, you're different. You haven't failed me yet, Kath. So, tell me, what's a good word? Oh, well, that wasn't actually a word, but I guess that we can let that slide for now. Listen, I've got some new friends for you. That means it's playtime. You know what to do. Don't spray it. Sorry, gotta keep you calm for now, but not for long. They still believe in friendship, poor fools. But soon, oh, they will learn that it doesn't exist. We'll save them from their mistake, and that is our noble goal. No one's better at destroying friendships than you, right? Well, what do we have here? Hello in there.
The brave adventurers have passed the first test. Now they're on to the next one, and we'll keep you posted on their progress.
This is the best show on TV. Of course, it's the only show on TV. Hey, Cocoa Pup, what's purple and sticky? A purple stick. Yeah. Hey, Bon Bon, it's your turn.
No, mon ami, I cannot stop watching the show. The sadness of it all is so gripping.
You French fruitcake.
You'll probably become candy soon.
Ah, Bon Bon, come on. Be positive like me. I'm certain it'll happen. There's no probably about it. Now, since you won't play, I'll have to take your turns for you. John Bon, you'll have to take your lumps. I've won this. Huh? Who did that? Answer me!
What is
The
this
danger
place?
lurks at every turn, even when there isn't a turn. Stay tuned and see who'll be turned into a candy next.
Oh, Rainy, no!
What a hard candy. My poor Bo.
I'm sorry. That girl is my daughter.
Sit down. Just relax. Don't cause trouble. C'est la vie. Soon enough, you'll forget about your daughter.
What does that mean? I can't just forget her. I have to save her from that man. Wait, are you working with him?
Huh? Who's she mean?
Go brush out her brain. She means Gordon, of course.
Gordon.
That's him, Gordon.
Now that we've recapped the recap, it's almost time to rejoin the live action. Our adventurers are smiling now, but will their smiles turn to frown?
Supposed to be sweet, you know. Stuffing and sour.
Keep watching to find out.
Hey, Tula, what does the guy have to do to get one of those?
Be him.
You made it here. Wow, nice.
Gordon, you decided to join us. And that new outfit is even cuter than the first one.
You think so? Oh, you're only saying that because it's absolutely true. You really take the cake, Rainy, but say no more. Well, on the other hand, if you're such a sweetie pie that you want to say more, then who am I to stop you?
Oh, Gordon, you're such a funny guy.
Oh, dear. Who is he?
You already forgotten me, huh? Guess your brain was too small to start with.
Oh, what's happened to my moolah?
He's forgetting. That's what sweets do to you. Once the sun sets, people turned into candies lose their memories. Transformed objects don't have that problem. Your friend is going to forget everything he knows. He's going to end up with a gum job for a brain. It's such a shame.
What happened to my mom, too?
I'm afraid so. But just trust me and we'll fix everything. Of course, if your friends keep on slowing you down, it won't be easy.
What? What do you mean?
Oh, nothing. Never mind, forget it. Now, listen, Rainy. You're smart and brave, and I can tell that your determination is second to none. If you just trust me, then I'm sure that you'll get exactly what you deserve. What do you say?
Rainy, there isn't much time. We've got to go.
Oh, that is so funny. The ground is up in the sky.
Ah, yes. As you can see, this is no ordinary place. Now, the next test will be a tough nut to crack. Whoa! Never mind explaining what's going to happen. It's already happened.
Where are we?
Wow.
Gordon, what's this about?
This is the next test. You'll have to get past it to move forward.
Careful! Something's coming!
Oh, this guy's one tough cookie! Run for it! Hold on. Look over there. See that red planet in the distance? That's where you have to get to make it past this level. A portal there will take you to the photo library.
What in the world is this weird world?
Rainy! How's it going?
Talk about a hard one. No, don't talk about it. It's bad enough just having one.
Moolah, we should split up.
Listen, I really don't taste good.
All right, then. Looks like my work's done here. It's like taking candy from a baby.
Just go away, gumball boy, or I'll take you for a spin! It all was nice when you weren't here! Let's go back to that!
Moolah, how can you find this funny?
That is not nice! I mean, not nice, you guys!
Rainy, quick! Come over here! You can hide out on this planet with me!
Yeah, is that you, Gordon?
No, it isn't me. This is the putrid planet. Anyway, that doesn't matter. We have to help your friend.
This sure could be better.
Quick, Rainy! You have to go and help out your friend, don't you?
saved us from the camera.
It's too much. I can't let you do this. Change back.
Stop.
Don't worry. We passed that test, too. So soon, we can change you back. At the photo library.
Hello! Add fearless to the list of words to describe you. You were amazing! You stood right up to that giant guy. Wow!
Well, it was mostly luck. Just had to help my friends.
You're wrong. I mean, I was so scared that I could barely move at all. But you were as cool as a cucumber. You're incredible.
You really are sweet, Gordon. But we gotta reach the photo library.
Oh, right. There's a problem. You see, we should have been sent there. There's no point in sugarcoating it. When that big guy Cap destroyed that planet, we were sent here by mistake. But still, we can whip up a solution. I'll take you to the photo library. However, it'll take a little while. You know, part of this is Tula's fault, 'cause she got caught. Otherwise, we'd be where we need to be.
Well, no biggie. We'll still get there.
Now, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great. Keep it up. Now keep it down. And up again. As candy is you're very high in calories, you've got to work some of it off. Cocoa Pup, you have to work harder. Let's see some pep, Pup. No, work harder. Harder. Harder.
Maybe not that hard.
Bon Bon, you okay?
This workout is just not working out.
Should we keep going? 1, 2, 3, 4. Full of calories, no more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Move your body on the floor. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it now. Give me some more.
Otherwise,
Rainy?
where we need to
No, Rainy, you can't trust anything that guy tells you.
Oh, my. Listen to her, Rainy.
Wait, Rainy? Why does that sound familiar?
This is not good. Her memory's really starting to fade. All of this is Gordon's fault. We've got to think of a way to rescue your daughter.
What? Wait, do I have a daughter?
She's forgetting everything. Maybe that's good, because she'll forget that she's forgotten and that we're stuck here.
Be quiet, Bon Bon, or else.
Wait, that's right. That girl's my daughter. I have to go help my Rainy.
Although they've made it through another test, cracks are starting to develop in their team. Can they stay together long enough to reach the end?
Eileen, we can't help out till we break out. Till then, shall we work out?
Oh, yes. Good idea.
Ice cream! An entire planet made of ice cream!
Yeah, it's a whole world of world delights. I feel like I should scream or something. That's what you do with ice cream, right?
I made you an ice cream cone. Well, no cone, but...
Oh, that's cute. But why have a sad little cone when you can have a whole ice cream cake? It was made by yours truly.
Oh, Gordon, you're so sweet.
How can I be anything else to you? No! Fess up! Who did it?
What's wrong? Afraid to have an ice cream fight?
It was you! You're gonna pay! No! Hey! I'll cream you!
Rainy, maybe I'm wrong, but doesn't Gordon seem kind of weird?
More than kinda, but sweet, too.
It's just strange he's the only person here, and the cameras stay away when he's around. And that giant cat guy didn't seem to go after him at all.
Surprise! Maybe that surprise was ill-advised. Cap let me go because he thought it was a candy.
Look, without Gordon, we wouldn't have made it this far. You're just overthinking things.
Maybe, but Moolah's a candy and Cap chased him.
Blue, back when that scary Cap guy was chasing me, Gordon saved me.
Huh?
And you?
Oh, yeah, that. Sorry, Rainy. The planet made me do that.
You know, it's really sad when friends turn against each other and slow each other down from getting where they need to go. I won't slow you down. by arguing or getting caught like your friend Tula did.
Rainy, do you think we're slowing you down?
Of course not.
I'm here to help. We all are. Remember, all of us are part of a team.
Hey, did you guys feel something?
We're getting closer to the photo library. I just wish we weren't getting there so fast. Oh, how strange. What is this place? I don't think that I've actually been here before. Oh, the entrance to the photo library is blocked by the ice cream planet. It looks like we've got another test to pass, one we didn't expect. Oh boy, this is not good.
We don't have much time. Is there anything you can do?
It's out of my hands. We'll have to go through those doors.
But the sun is about to set.
Right. We've got a deadline, so we have to pass this test as fast as possible. Don't worry, I'll help.
What?
After we all pass through these doors, we'll find various tests waiting for us. Why? You after me? You're a duo of dangerously determined donuts.
I feel like something's telling me we shouldn't trust Gordon.
Mano adoro!
We're just one step away from getting everyone back to normal. We have to get this done fast.
We're with you. Let's get moving.
Let's go.
Wait. We should split up so we can finish all the parts of the test as fast as we can.
I don't know, but I can't let Rainy down again. So let's do it!
Soon now, Rainy, you'll see the truth. Oh, I'm like a kid in a candy store. Boing, boing, boing.
Video game?
Come on, we don't have all day, remember?
Yeah, I know, but where are the others?
Oh, they changed their minds. But don't worry, I'll help.
What? But Blue said the tweet.
Can't talk. It's starting. Quick, Rainy. Start playing.
Right.
Ugh, I can't get a single one through the target. Ugh.
All right, Blue, this is it. I mean, it's always it, because it is whatever you're doing at the time, and... Blue, focus! Stop talking to yourself! Come on, bring it! Just stack them up. You got this! What? They're not stacking!
Excellent, Gordon! We did it! I'm really lucky to have a good friend like you. I wouldn't have known what to do without you.
No, that's not true. I'm really not as good as you think I am. Your own skill and strength carried you through. I'm really the lucky one, getting to meet someone as awesome as you.
You say the sweetest things. Now let's go find out how Blue's doing.
Wait.
Huh?
Remember, you can't count on your friends. In the end, you're on your own.
What?
Attention! Good, next game! Yes! Wait! is... That there. Perfect. I've got this. What the... A carrot! Ah! That's the weirdest thing I've ever seen! Except that donut. What is going on? There we go. What? That's it! Time for an old-fashioned rage quit! Rainy. Oh, good. This game's being super weird. There's a carrot and a donut and... Huh? It's working? That's the worst one. It doesn't work right. But how?
Come on, no more wasting time. I've got to help the others.
Rainy? Where are you going?
Guess you let Rainy down again. How many times is that?
Now. Arms out. Keep your balance.
What's up with the barking?
Are you barking mad?
Huh? Who's there? Come out! I'll make mincemeat out of you!
Don't worry, Cocoa Puff.
Eileen! Do you know what this means? We can leave! We could go save your daughter!
Oh, kids, make sure you come home for dinner.
Yes, we did it. The way to the photo library's open. It's right down there.
Wait, Rainy. What if this is a mistake?
Huh? A mistake?
What if the photo library's a fake?
We don't have time for this. You aren't being a good friend. So sad. Rainy, I'm the only one you can trust now. We have to get going.
Gordon's right. The sun is almost down now. We have to keep on moving forward.
Look, Rainy, I just don't trust this guy.
Huh?
But I have no proof. I don't even know what he wants. But still, I don't think we should trust him.
But shouldn't that be up to your leader to decide? Side with me, who's always helped you, or them, who even now are trying to slow you down like they did before. And remember, the clock's ticking.
Blue, we gotta reach the photo library. For Mom, and for Moolah and Tula too. That's all that matters.
I see. So my opinion doesn't matter?
Of course it does. But Blue, there's no time. Soon it'll be too late for them.
Well then, I guess that this doesn't matter either.
Remember, you can't really count on your friends, Rainy. Know this. In the end, you're on your own.
Blue, are you really not gonna come?
No, Rainy. Neither are you. Stay with us. We'll find another way.
Sorry, Blue, and everyone. But I have to do this. And if I have to do it alone, then fine. That's what I'll do.
Good. You've made the right decision, trust me. Come on, let's go. Moo, I'll be waiting. Moo.
Hold on. Can't we just talk about this? Rainy, please. Don't go. Not like this.
Almost there. Don't worry. The photo library is right there beneath us. You're doing the right thing. And very soon you're going to get your just desserts for that. I'll make sure of it.
I can't believe this. Why? Why would she choose to trust him? Now that Gordon's gone, all these cameras show up. Wait, that means Rainy's in danger. We gotta help her.
The photo library.
Yeah. Yes, you made it. Open it. Go on.
At last, I'll be able to save my mom and change my friends back.
That's it, Rainy. Just open the door. Push it. Go on. Almost there now. That's it, Rainy. Push it open. Oh, this is it, the big moment. I could hardly wait any longer. Finally, it's time for you to learn the most valuable lesson of all.
Gordon, what? Where are you?
What's the matter? Didn't you like my picture?
What? What's going on? Did you lie to me? What?
Yes, I lied. But I did it to save you.
From what?
Friendship. You think that you have friends, but then they betray you. Like my best friend, my brother Harry. He invented those candy-making cameras. To make me more friends, he said. All I wanted was to play with him. But he wanted to work on the cameras. That's why I had to show you the truth. To save you from heartbreak later. Nobody should have to go through that. Oh. Stay calm now.
So Blue was right about you.
You mean your so-called friends? You lucky guy. You get to learn the same lesson, too. You can only truly count on yourself.
Wrong.
Oh, drop your pie-in-the-sky delusion. Accept it. Friendship's a lie. But soon you'll forget all about this.
No! Blue!
Well, time to go find some other people to save. That is why I built my flying city. To soar around and find them. Come on, smile for me.
Gordon, you're terrible.
That's just sour grapes. You ought to thank me for showing you the truth. What are you doing? Candies are supposed to be bitten, not do the biting. Get off! Cameras, do something! Not that! Oh, stop staring! And don't just stand there doing nothing, except reminding me of what you did to me. Go get her! And if you fail me again, I'll get rid of you for good.
You have to admit, she has a point. Not a good point, but still.
Mom, is that you?
I had this weird dream that I was turned into a candy. Oh, I wish my daughter were here.
Oh, no. You don't remember me now. You guys sure lose a lot. First, your mom loses her memory, and now you've lost all of your friends and your chance to stop Gordon. That's not really helping.
Quiet!
Honey, sorry you're going through this.
Why did I trust Gordon over Blue? What was I even thinking?
Well, why do you think you did it?
I don't know. I was just so scared for you. For everyone. I was too worried to think straight, and I thought I could do it all alone. And now I can't change everyone back. I'll be alone for real.
You're a lot like her. Like my daughter. Sometimes she makes mistakes too, but more importantly, she has a good heart. She's kind, and that's why she's been able to make so many good friends. And that's why they stick by her. I'm very proud of her. I'm certain that if she were here, she'd keep trying till the end.
Okay, we have to go find her daughter. I bet she'll take care of everything.
Here. We found this on the way over here. For some reason, I thought you'd like it.
Whoa! This way!
Run for your life!
Why can't people just be sweet to us?
Stop it! We gotta get our buns out of here fast!
You were trying to save us when you smashed that planet, weren't you? I don't know what your story is, but I believe that you're actually on our side. Someone not very nice once told me that friendship is just a lie. But I'm sure that he's wrong. I need your help. All of your help. I need to put everyone back to normal. We'll make Gordon eat humble pie and bring back sugar and spice and everything nice. So are you with me?
Yeah! Holy sweet!
Yes!
Oh, I wish my daughter were here.
Thanks, Mom. And thanks for being there when I needed you most. All right, let's go. You guys wait right here. Mom, it'll be safer to split up. Coco Pup and I will go carry out Plan A. You guys hide and wait for the signal.
Remember, this is serious business. It's dangerous, so stay quiet.
Hey, it's me. I'm always careful. I'm going. Keep an eye on my mom.
You got it.
Coco Pup, let's go. Good doggy. You're doing great so far. Shh. Shh, shh. Quiet. You're gonna draw their attention. Where is it? Ta-da!
Yes!
He's yours. Finish him off. Gordon's house. I hope he's left the picture somewhere in here. Coco Pup, make sure that you stay quiet. How awesome! Coco Pup, you sure are good at sniffing out secrets. You know, we should call you Sherlock Hound. Is this what the photographs are stored on? Yep, nice one. That's not so nice. Let's go.
Well, I thought I'd find you here. Crushing you again will be the icing on the cake.
Gordon, turn my friends back to normal.
Oi! This thing's a little heavy, but it's nice, right? It's more than a snappy costume. It's my ultimate weapon. You can't possibly win if I can just keep from falling over.
That's right. That costume's ugly.
That's it. No more Mr. Nice Guy. I mean, not that I was nice to start with. Oh, it's time for the cookie to crumble. You just stand there. Come closer so I can get you.
Really?
Then I'll use my ultimate weapon. I'm really gonna knock you one. You are toast. I wore this sock in gym class for a whole year. By now, it can strip the paint off a car. You're doomed. The wind changed direction.
I can't play around. Everyone's waiting. Cocoa Pop, let's go.
Oh, they're not waiting. They're right here. You see?
You guys, Blue! Gordon, let them go now!
I'll let them go. I'll drop them right into a little something I call the garbage disposal. Give back what you took, or these guys are gone for good.
You guys, I'm sorry for everything.
Thanks, Rainy. Me too, but this is not the time.
I let you all down. I should have put my trust in you.
Really, can we do this later?
I shouldn't have left you. We're part of a team. You're more than just friends. You're part of my family. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Oh, that was just beautiful. But you already betrayed them all one time. So how could they trust you again?
Because they're nothing like you.
That's for sure. I'm the best. Ow! How dare you? Now my face is all dusty.
Land B!
What? Why, you? Haven't you done enough to me already? Now, turn the favor. All right, Cap, have a taste of this. Oh, there's nothing to taste.
You looking for these? So, you guys, do you still want to work together with me?
Of course. We never stopped wanting to.
Yeah, that's right.
Well, Rainy? Plan B or Plan C?
A whole new plan. They'll chase me, guys! Run, quick!
Wait, let me catch up so they can chase me too.
It's no chance that you deserve this. Ouch, that hurts! Now you will. I'll take that. Stop! Come back! Or either one. I don't care which. I'm gonna take you down so fast you're gonna break the sound barrier! This thing, then that thing, and now I got all that thing! Hey, what's up?
You in about 10 seconds.
Huh?
Have a nice trip, Gordy. Nice job, guys. I knew we could do it.
Rainy, stop this nonsense! Are you telling me that you still believe in friendship after all this? Wake up and look around! You losers are about to lose! Friendship got you Even if you change them back, you won't stay friends!
Huh?
Hurry!
Harry? Is that really you?
It's me. Good to be back.
Cute.
It's all because I spoiled my brother. I'm sorry for your suffering.
Hey, don't apologize! Do your job and get those guys! What are you all doing? Wait! No! Can we be friends?
Time to go home.
Right.
Blue?
Yeah.
Blue, are you listening? What is going on in that head?
I'll find out. I have been called a head case.
If you want to. Are you going to use your method of mental communication?
Of course. Now let's see what he's thinking. He's right. We are lucky to have each other.
Rainy, if you want, I can teach you how we do our...
No way! I don't need anything weird like that. Why would I? We already have, like, the greatest way of sharing ever. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it before. It's a little thing called friendship.
Oh, you could have just said no.
Oh, Blue, what am I ever gonna do without you? Well, I guess I'll have to be your friend.
Rainy, I'm really proud of you.
Aw, thanks, Mom. Plus, I did my homework. Live candies for show and tell. Oh, that's right. What would you do with Gordon, Harry?
My brother's caused so much trouble, but I'm hoping he can learn from his mistakes.
Can you believe my own brother treating me like I treated everyone else? Oh, it's just so unfair. Right?
Actually, that's just what fair means.
No, what do you guys know? You guys are just pieces of bread. Now look. No, run! Those things are still after me.
Oh well, at least Gordon has some friends.
Yeah, some friends. I just don't get why everyone says that sliced bread is so great. That's it, I'm out of here. Wait, I'm still bread. Open up your mind, change the stare. Let's spread out.
Well, little brother, not too much fun being transformed, is it?
You could say that again.
Well, little brother, not too much fun being
I didn't really mean say it again. Listen, big brother, I get it now. I was wrong. Please forgive me for what I did and turn me back.
What do you say, guys? I don't believe that deep down my brother is a bad guy. Should we give him another chance?
Gordon, you did some really horrible things. Things so horrible they make normal horrible things look like a nice day at the park.
So, is that a yes?
If you're truly sorry, we're willing to give you a second chance.
I'm sorry. I'm really, really sorry. Really, really, really sorry. Sorry if I'm saying sorry too much.
Go on.
Thank you, guys.
Yes, thank you. I tricked you. Now you're the ones who will be sorry. Especially you, big brother. Revenge is the sweetest dish, and I'm not finished punishing you for what you put me through. You don't know what it was like. The loneliness, the betrayal by someone who was supposed to be your best friend.
Brother, I'm sorry I hurt you. I miss having you as a friend.
I miss you too, brother, so much. I don't want to be alone anymore. I want to be with you and to have friends too. Oh, come on. That is a horrible picture of me.
That doesn't matter. But now you know what does. Friendship.
I'm frozen. I'm still frozen.
Unfold your memory, you'll find you are not alone in the jungle. Open up your mind, change is there. Let's spread our wings and soar.